Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this body is designed and this is a 2D drafting is available here, and this threads details is also available here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And today discuss here a very important this nozzle pipe design is discussed here, and all dimension is clear here easily and clearly. Okay, and this body is a nozzle pipe design, and all is a body is looking perfect and correct, and this is a looking so nice here, and this is a all is perfect, and all gap is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is okay, and this body is designed how to easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, at first select a part, and some point is a very important, and use a plain white, and some setting is also image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and next is this is a perfect geometry is defined, and this length is a 18 millimeter, and draw a circle is 3.6 millimeter, and this gap is a 3 millimeter, and this length full length is 10 millimeter, but half length is diameter is 5 millimeter. Okay, and at first select a plane is right plane is perfect, and some for reference geometry is a drawing here, but use only reference. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a horizontal, and draw a center point arc, and the center point arc is a this is a okay, this point this drawing this this is a perfect, and connect to this. Okay, but also use for construction geometry, but this is a use a reference point, and some this distance between this point to this is a 18 millimeter, and this diameter, this is a radius is a this radius is a 3.6. Okay, this is a perfect, and again drawing a small circle, and this circle is drawing this, and this diameter is a this diameter is a 2.8. Okay, this is a diameter is 2.8, and also use a construction. Okay, this use also use for use a construction. Okay, this is a perfect, and some line is drawing here. Select a line is this drawing this to this is a drawing here, and use this and this line is a this. Okay, this line is a taper, not horizontal, but this line is a taper line because some angle is defined here. And next point is this is a perfect, and some use a okay, okay, and this is a some use this is a radius, drawing a this and circle, and this line is a this line is this, and some line is taper, and this line is also connect to this, but this line is some use this, and this line is also this, and use connect to this point is this. Okay, and some use this line to this line is okay, this line is use a collinear and connect a center line, this line to this point to connect here, and this line to this line is also collinear. This line is a vertical is perfect, okay, and next is use this line, okay, and some use okay, okay, this line is use here and connect to this, and this is some taper line, and use this connect to this, and connect to this line to this, okay, and connect to this. This is a perfect and this distance is a 1.2, this point to this distance is 1.2, is perfect, and next is use some angle is this line to this is angle is 26 degree, okay, and this angle is distance is a 60 degree angle, okay, because this is a 26 degree angle is this, and 1.2 is distance, and this is a 60 degree angle, and this diameter is a 2.6, and this radius is 3.6. This is a 3.6 and 2.6. okay, all is perfect, and next point is Okay, this is a perfect. And use this is a, and this distance is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this distance is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and this is a, this radius is a 0.8. This radius is a, this radius is 0.5 millimeter, and this is a 0.8 millimeter. Okay, this is a 0.8 millimeter, and this is a 0.5 millimeter. This is a 0.8, and also this is a point sorry, 0.5. Next is a, okay, so nice. And some point is very useful, and this point, and press a control button, and this is a okay, this is a vertical line, and this point, and this, okay, and this point, and press a control button, and this center point is a horizontal line, and this is a very important. Okay, okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and next is a, this is a, use a angle is this to, this is a 135, and okay, and this is a collinear is perfect, and some distance. Okay, this distance is a 6, this center point, and this distance is a 6 millimeter. Okay, and next is a, some point is this, and this circle is a 1.5, this is a 1.6, and distance is a 1.5. This to this distance, this distance is a 1.6. 1.5 is better, and this is a perfect. And the next is a, and this point to this point is distance is a 8 millimeter, and this point to this distance is a 12 millimeter. Okay, and next is a, this distance is a distance is 11.8. Okay, this is a perfect. next is a some use a this is a use this point is a select here and use this point to this line, and this distance is a 5.9. okay, and okay, and this is a perfect and this point and this line is also use a default value, and this point is a tangent is also okay, and this point is also tangent. okay, and next is okay, one point is missing here, and one point is use this point is a 1.5. okay, all is fully defined, and this is perfect, all is correct and this is fully defined and all okay, and all dimension is okay, okay, and next okay, all point is perfect and all this is all geometry is fully defined, and this is perfect and correct. okay, all is one by one is all point is correct, and next is use a revolve boss and select this, select okay, okay, and next is this revolve boss base is delete here, and some value is edit here, and okay, but this point is this is the 12, and use this okay, and this use a 10, and use also 7, and this point is a 0.75. okay, this is a not use and use a 10 and use a 7, and this is a perfect and use a revolve boss, and okay, okay, this is a perfect okay, this is a very nice looking here, and next this face, select sketch normal, and click a hexagon and select this, connect to this center point. okay, and this is a line is a horizontal line, and mention this dimension, but this dimension is not used because this is a connector, and this all dimension, this dimension is perfect 11.8. okay, and some extrude cut is apply here, and extrude cut is a extrude cut is a this face. Select this face. okay, and some use a extrude cut of flip side to cut. Click OK. okay, this is a perfect but and some use a this is a 11.11 11 is better, and this is a 7.5. click OK. and extrude cut is a this is a 8.5. okay, through all is better, and click OK. okay, all is perfect and okay, and some use a fillet chamfer is used here, and one is perfect and this is a this, and click OK. and next use a thread is user this. okay, and this is use a 8mm and use a offset is 2mm flip side, and use a 7. okay, metric to die, and use a this is a perfect and select the sketch of convert entities and use a extrude cut and click OK. This is a perfect and correct. And some color is used here, and this color is a this. And OK. Okay, this length is a increase, and some use a okay, this sketch drawing here normal, and this length is a some 20 is perfect and okay, this is a perfect okay, this is a better. And also this thread is used here, and click this thread, and this is a 9mm is perfect, and 8.5 is better. 8.5 is perfect, and and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here and perfect. And okay, all is looking perfect and correct. Okay guys, this is a finally drawing here. Nozzle pipe is designed, and guys, I hope you will learn all this process is easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this project is a bench wise lathe machine, and this part is a drawing here a collar design, and how to this collar design is all process is learn here easily and clearly. And this project is a bench wise lathe machine, and all parts is one by one is all parts is drawing here at first, and last is all parts is assemble here. Okay guys, this is a very important. This is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view. All view you can see here on the screen, and this body is this part is a isometric view. Okay, and all dimension in inch, and this is a very important. Okay, this is this body is a collar design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is also cosmetic thread is you can see here on the screen, and this is a cosmetic thread, and this part is cut out is also. Okay, this part is a drawing here easily and clearly you can see here. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first select a part, and part is a some setting is very important. And at first plain white, and going to this option, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and unit is also change here. This is a IPS, this is a inch. Okay, all setting is a complete here. And this is a at first select this is a front view, because all two dimension is looking perfect. And this is a bigger diameter, the big circle diameter is a 0.81 inch, and a small circle diameter is a 0.52 inch. And okay, this is a this thickness is 0.38 inch, and this thickness is a 0.44 inch, and this is a diameter is 0.72 inch. Okay, and this cutout is a perfect, and this plane is a top view, and this is a 0.09 inch and 0.13 inch. Okay, let's drawing this part. Okay, at first select a front plane. Okay, drawing a two circle, a big circle and a small circle. Okay, this is a this, and define a dimension is a this 0.81 inch. Okay, and this is a small diameter is a 0.52 inch. Okay, all is perfect. 0.81 inch and 0.52 inch. Okay, all is perfect. And going to this extrude boss, and extrude boss is a okay, and this is a direction is reverse. Okay, and this is a thickness is a point. Okay, this thickness is a 0.38 inch. Okay, 0.38 inch. Okay, this thickness is 0.38 inch. Okay, this is a perfect, and click OK. Okay, and this body is a drawing here, perfect. And this is a cosmetic thread, is you can see here on the screen. And at first going to this option, and some setting is very important, and going to this document properties, and this is a detailing, and this is a sided cosmetic thread is a check here, okay, and okay. And again going to this insert and going to annotation, and cosmetic thread is a, you can see here, okay, and select this, okay, select this edge, okay. And this is a start from face, okay, this is a complete here. Standard is none is a select here, and this is a 0.76 inch, and this is a blind is select here, and this is a 0.375 inch is perfect. All is perfect and correct. Click OK. Okay, this is a done. And this face is sketch and normal, and this is a select here and going to convert entities, okay. And again are drawing a circle, a big circle, okay. And define a dimension. Dimension is this 0.72 inch, okay. All is perfect, all is perfect and correct, okay. And again going to extrude boss. Extrude boss is a, this is a perfect drawing here, and this is a thickness is a 0.44 inch, okay. This is a 0.44 inch is perfect, okay. All is perfect and correct, and all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect drawing here, okay. And okay, and again this cutout is a very important, and going to this cutout, and at first select a plane is top view is better, and select a top plane and sketch normal. Cutting this, select a corner rectangle, and corner rectangle is a drawing here this, okay, okay. And some relation is very important, and select a mid this origin point, and press a control button and select this line, and this is a midpoint is perfect. And okay, this dimension is a 0.09 inch, and this height is a 0.13 inch, okay. All is perfect, and this is a distance is a 0.09 inch, and this is a 0.13 inch, okay. All is perfect, okay. And going to this, going to extrude cut, and extrude cut is a, this is a through all both side, okay. All is perfect, and this is a okay, okay. And this is a perfect and correct is a drawing here, okay. All is perfect, setting here, okay. And material is apply here, at first going to this appearance, and going to metal, and going to this nickel, and nickel is a polished nickel is perfect, okay. And isometric view is this, okay. And guys, all point, okay. And guys, all point is learn here easily and clearly, and I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And next lecture is coming soon, okay guys. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is design. And this is a pin design, and this pin is very useful in office, any university, or and any school, college. And this pin is very important, and this is a very important, and this is a use office use here. And guys, and this pin is designed today discuss here, and how to this body is design. and also this is a 2D drafting is also available here. And guys, this body is very nice looking here, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is side view, right view, and this is a right view means side view, and both is this all is a drafting here. And some important point is discussed here. All dimension in millimeter, and dome 1 millimeter is this is a elliptical dome, and 1 millimeter, and thickness is 2 millimeter is this thickness is 2 millimeter, and fillet is used here, this fillet is used here 18 millimeter. And some important point is discussed here. Okay, and okay, this body is a design here, and this is a looking perfect and correct, and this is a very useful and helpful use office. And okay guys, this lecture is very important for a beginner student, is very important also. And okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first drawing a part, and some important point is discussed here. Plane is white, and going to document property, and image quality is very high because this is a all geometry, and all body is looking perfect. Okay, at first drawing this and okay, at first drawing this circle, and this circle is this is a use a 10 diameter is 10 millimeter. Okay, and this length is a 3 millimeter, and this is a drafting is available. This is a drafting is used here, angle is 22 degree. Okay, and use a front plane because this body is a looking a front. Okay, and draw a circle, and the circle diameter is a 10 millimeter. Okay, and use a extrude boss. Extrude boss is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and use a use a draft on, and angle is a 22 degree. Okay, and this point is use here, this is use of fillet is 2 millimeter, and okay, and use of fillet is 2 millimeter, and use of this. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect. And next is a okay, next is a this line is drawing here, and this line is used here, this is a convert entities, and this 6 degree angle is drafting, and this length is a length is 99 millimeter is perfect. And this face is a sketch, and use a convert entities, and extrude boss, and this length is 9 millimeter, and also this draft angle, this draft is use a 6 degree angle. Okay, this is a perfect. This use a 6 degree angle, and this length is 9 millimeter and correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and next is also this sketch, and use a convert entities. Okay, and next is use here this body is design, and use this and use this 0.8 millimeter, and this use a 82 degree angle. Okay, also perfect. and correct. Okay, and use a extrude boss, and this length is 0.88. okay, this is a perfect 0.8t. okay, 0.8 millimeter, and this body is correct, and this use a okay, this use a perfect, and this is a correct, this thickness is available here, and this is a use of this, and okay, and use a and this is a 82, and draft outward, and this is a perfect. This use a 0.8 millimeter, and 82 degree is a draft, and draft is outward, and click OK. This is a perfect. And also this face sketch, and this thickness is used here. Okay, and use a convert entities, and extrude boss. Extrude boss is this thickness is a 0.4, and click OK. 0.4, this is a very nice looking here, and correct. This 0.4 thickness is perfect, and use a dome, this feature, and dome is 1 millimeter, and click this face, and use elliptical dome. This is a perfect. Click OK. This is very nice looking here, and this okay, and some color is a okay, this color is select here, and also okay, this is a perfect color, and very nice looking here. And next point is a pin is drawing here, and some use a important point. This pin is this diameter is a 2 millimeter, and at first drawing this inside is 6 millimeter, and outward is a 15 millimeter, and again 3 millimeter is 90 degree. Okay, draft is available here. Okay, at first select this face sketch, a normal, or drawing a circle is this, and this use a 2 millimeter diameter, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a 6 millimeter inside direction. Okay, and okay, and again this face sketch normal, and convert entities. Okay, and use extrude boss base is apply here, and this thickness is 15 millimeter. Okay, and 15 millimeter is a this is a merge result is unchecked, because this is a very important. Okay, and click OK. Okay, and this and color is change here, and color is a chrome plate, and okay, chrome plate, and also use a nickel is also okay. Okay, this is a perfect. Check undo, and this is a also check nickel is perfect, but chrome plate is better. Chrome plate is better. Okay, and next is this is a perfect, and also select this face sketch, convert entities is used here, and also use extrude boss, and this thickness is a 3 mm. Okay, and use a draft angle, and draft angle is a 90 degree. Okay, use a 90, but this is a perfect, and click OK. And also this and chrome plate is used here. And one important point is this is a fillet is a this thickness is not used here, but some missing point, and this dome is 1 mm. Okay, correct. And fillet is a 18 mm, and this is a 18 mm is very, very important. And this fillet is used here, and click this line, and this is a 18 mm, and click this line and connect to this, and very, very important for this, and click this fillet, use a chrome plate. Okay, okay, all is perfect and correct. This pin body is designed here easily and clearly. Okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn all process is learned here easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and guys, this is a very, very important lecture. This is a bridge of wall. Okay, and this body is this part is a bridge of wall, and this part is this is a this body is drawing here, and this is a isometric view, and 3D drafting is also available here, and this is a front view, and this is right view, and this is a top view. Okay, all dimension in millimeter. And this lecture is very, very important for a beginner student, and this project is a very, very important, and this project is a stop wall project, and all parts is one by one is drawing here, and last is this all body is assembled here easily and clearly. Okay, okay, and let's start here. This body is design. Okay, this body is designed here, and this is a color, this material is a brush, and how to this body is easily and clearly. Okay, and back side is this, and also this thread is apply here, and thread is also very, very nice looking here. Okay, okay guys, this body is a perfect drawing, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select this part, and some setting is very, very important, and all dimension in millimeter, grams second. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a plain white. Okay, and going to option is a document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, okay, and okay, at first drawing this body, help of this to the drafting. At first drawing this geometry, and this distance is 19 mm is radius, and this distance is 14 mm, and this distance is 28 mm, and this is a 10 mm, and this is a 26 mm, and this red color 6 is a revolution 6. This is a pitch, and this is a height and pitch, and height and revolution. This revolution is 6, this turn is 6, and this is a 50 millimeter height. This thread is used here. This 50 millimeter is this both side is a fillet is used here, and this length is a okay. At first drawing a plane is a better is a right plane. Okay, two line is a reference line is drawing here one by one, because this line is very useful and helpful. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a relation is a coincident, and this is a horizontal, and this is a coincident and vertical, both is a perfect. Okay, and at first select a line is a this is a drawing this okay, and perfect and correct. Okay, and drawing this select this this geometry is a drawing here, and this curve is a drawing this, and select horizontal line, and this is a connect to this, and this is a very important. This geometry, this drawing simple drawing here, and align a dimension. At first drawing this distance is 19 millimeter is full length, and 14 millimeter is half this length. Okay, this distance is a 14 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 90 millimeter. This distance is a 28 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a okay, this is a 26 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. And okay, and also this distance is a 10 millimeter. Okay, all is a black, all is fully defined, then all is a black color means this is a fully defined, and all is correct. Okay, and this is a perfect. This is a radius, this is a 14 millimeter and 19 millimeter, 28 millimeter, and 10 on 26, all is a perfect. Okay, all dimension is perfect. And going to this revolve boss base and select this axis, and okay, all is perfect. Okay, okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is a perfect. And again select this face sketch normal, and again select again drawing this body. Then this is a this height is 120 millimeter, this is a 76 millimeter, and this is very important. This circle is drawing here 60 millimeter diameter, and this is a 24 millimeter, and this is a cutout is a this 34 millimeter is a this use a thread. Okay, okay, and at first drawing a reference line, again select a okay, both reference line is drawing here. Okay, connect to this reference line is very important, and draw a circle. Circle is drawing here this two circle is drawing here. First is a diameter is 60 millimeter, and second is a diameter is 24 millimeter. Okay, and connect a line. A line is a tangent and connect to this, and again select this line and mirror entities and click a mirror about this, and okay, and again select all, press a control button and all is a select here one by one, and use a mirror entities and going to this mirror about this, click OK. Okay, and align a dimension. Dimension is this point to this point, distance is a 120. Okay, and this point to this point distance is a 76. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is a perfect. All is black color means this is a fully defined, and all is a this is a tangent line. Okay, all is correct. And okay, this geometry is a perfect. This is a 120 millimeter and 76 millimeter, and this is a drawing a circle. 60 millimeter is diameter and 24 millimeter diameter, and then use this 34 millimeter is last, use a thread, and going to this extrude cut and apply a extra portion is delete here. Okay, and select this and this. Okay, and through all extra portion is delete here, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and again select a fillet, use here a 50 millimeter, and both edge is select here. Okay, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And again select this face, sketch normal, drawing a circle. Circle is this, and this diameter is a 34 millimeter. Okay, and this is exit because apply a okay, this apply a helix and a spiral, and this is a perfect. And this is a use a height and revolution, and height and pitch. Height and pitch is also perfect. Okay, and this is a very important, and height is 50 millimeter and pitch is a 6 millimeter. Okay, and direction is reverse, and this is a clockwise is perfect, and angle is 0 degree, and all is perfect, because this is a very important. Height and pitch is perfect, and height is 50 millimeter and pitch is 6 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and reverse direction is perfect, angle is 0 degree and clockwise, and click OK. Okay, and this is a perfect, and again select a right plane, sketch normal. Okay, and use a corner rectangle and draw a corner rectangle is drawing here, and this distance is a 3 millimeter is a length, and 3 millimeter is also height. Both is equal because this is a 3 millimeter is a length and height. Okay, and this point press a control, select here and press a control button, and this use this line, select here and use a pierce. Okay, this is a black color means this is also fully defined, and exit and use a sweep cut, and sweep cut is also select here, automatic select here this profile, and path is a select here this path. Okay, all is perfect, and all is correct, and click OK. Okay, this is a this line is a hide, and this thread is also drawing here easily and clearly. And going to this material is apply here, and metal and brush is a polish brush is perfect. Okay, and also this is a select here and going to this aluminum, and okay, this is a perfect but going to this select here and material is a okay, select here and going to this appearance, and this is a black color means this is a perfect. Okay, also very nice looking here, and also this is a perfect select body and appearance, going to this color and going to this. Okay, this is a looking perfect and isometric view. Okay, all is a looking perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay guys, and all geometry and all line is a use here, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is a bonnet, and bonnet is a very important lecture for a beginner student, and also a proficient student is also. This is a very important lecture. And guys, this project is designed here a valve design project, and how to this body is assembled here, and last is a at first all part is one by one is drawing here easily and clearly, and last is a this body is assembled here. And this is a front view, and this is a top view, and this is a 2D drafting is also available here. Okay, and this is a bonnet, and bonnet is this. Okay, all part is one by one is designed here, and this is a bonnet, and bonnet is a all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and this bonnet is a isometric view. Okay, all geometry and all dimension is you can see here easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, this is a bonnet part is this bonnet body, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all dimension is available here this. Okay, let's start here. This body is design, and this is a perfect body is designed, and all dimension is correct. Okay, so let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first some important point is discuss here. At first select a part, and going to this plain white, and some setting is very important. And this is going to option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, this is a perfect okay, and this is a mmgs millimeter gram second, and this unit is setting here. Okay, all is perfect and this is a 2D drafting is available here, and all dimension is clearly you can see here. And at first drawing this is a length is full length is a 36 millimeter, and this length is a 20 millimeter, and this length is a 10 millimeter. Okay, this is a upper length is a, and this is a line is a reference line, and this is a axis of revolution, and this body is a revolve boss base is apply here, and this is a half body is geometry is dimensioning, and this is a revolve boss is full body is created here. Then all geometry is a half part is a drawing here. Then this axis is a axis of revolution is drawing here, and this length is a 20.5 millimeter, and this is a 15 millimeter, and this is 13 millimeter, and this is a 6.5 millimeter. Okay, one by one is drawing here. Okay, at first select a plane. Plane is a, this is a use a front view. Then plane is a better is a front plane. Okay, select a front plane. Okay, and at first center line is a drawing here. This line is a reference line, and this line is very important, and also this line is use a axis of revolution, and this length is a 36 millimeter. Okay, and select a line. A simple geometry is a drawing here. A simple geometry is a drawing here at first, and then all dimension is dimensioning one by one, and then this is a okay drawing a this line is a drawing here. This simple geometry is drawing here. This and line is a drawing here. Okay, this and this line is a this okay, this is a perfect, and this is a select here, and this line is a drawing this, and select this line. Okay, and going to up and connect to this. Okay, simple geometry is drawing here, and dimensioning one by one, all dimension is dimensioning here, and select a at first this is a okay, at first this point and this point is a vertical. Okay, and this point. Okay, and at first select this point to this point is the line is a 36 millimeter. Okay, and this is the same, but this is a okay, and select this line to this is a 10 millimeter, and this is a 8 millimeter. Okay, 8 millimeter. Okay, and okay, one by one is this is a 10 millimeter, and this 8 millimeter is half, and this is a 13 millimeter is this is a 13.5 millimeter, and select this is a 13.5 millimeter. Okay, this is a 13.5 millimeter is this point to this is a, and upper is a this point is a this 20.5 millimeter, and select this is a 20 point 20.5 millimeter this. Okay, and also this length is 15 millimeter. Okay, and this length is a 13. Okay, this length is a 13 millimeter. 13 millimeter. Okay, this. Okay, and also this use a 6.5 millimeter. Okay. Okay, and this is a 20.5 millimeter, and this is 15 millimeter, and this is a 13 millimeter. This use of 15 millimeter is this 13 millimeter. Okay. Okay, and 6.5 millimeter this. And next is this is a 20 millimeter and 10 millimeter. Okay, and this use a 20 millimeter is this. This is a 20 millimeter. Okay, and this use a 10 millimeter is this. This is a 10 millimeter. Okay, and okay, this is same, but one is delete here, no problem. Okay, all is perfect. This is a 10, and select here this, and upper side is this. Use a 15 millimeter is this 15 millimeter, and this use a this point, and this line is a 10 millimeter. Okay, this is a 10 millimeter, and this use a drag here this. Okay, and also okay, and use this line is 10 millimeter, and also this is a 9 millimeter this. Okay, and this angle is a 120 millimeter. Okay, and also this is a okay, this is a this distance is a 5.5 millimeter. Okay, and this use this length. Okay, this is 13.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this distance is a 4 millimeter is perfect. Okay. Okay, all is a perfect and correct. Okay, and all dimension is a this. Okay, all dimension is a looking perfect. Okay. Okay, and this is a perfect drawing here. This is 13.5 millimeter and 10 millimeter and 8 millimeter and 5.5 millimeter is this 10 millimeter, 20 millimeter, and all is perfect. And this fillet is used here at 2 millimeter. Okay, this fillet is used here at 2 millimeter, and select this and click OK. Okay, this is a okay, and this use a 2 millimeter is perfect, and this is a 4 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect looking here, and all dimension is perfect and correct. Okay guys, all geometry is looking perfect and correct. Then use a revolve boss base and use a feature and going to revolve boss base. Okay, this is a perfect, and click OK. Okay, this body is designed and easily and clearly. And again, one point is this is use of chamfer is applied here on 1 millimeter and 45-degree angle, and also going to this chamfer and 1 millimeter and 45-degree angle, select this. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, and going to appearance and select a metal, and metal is a copper, and copper is this, and going to this. Okay, this is a bonnet is designed easily and clearly, and appearance is also apply here easily, and this body is looking perfect, and this is correct. Okay, and isometric view is this, and all is looking perfect, and all dimension and all geometry is perfect. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.